someone that's very dear to them, perhaps the one that they're most in love with of all. And it goes like this. Sometimes in the morning, when shadows are deep, I lie here beside you, just watching you sleep. And sometimes I whisper what I'm dreaming of. Me cup runneth over with love, 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 love. Sometimes in the evenings when you do not see, I study the things that you do constantly, and then I'll remember ones I'm fondest of. Me cup runneth over with love.